Good afternoon, children.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, thank you.
Okay.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry, ma'am.
I am also fine. Thank you. Children, we were doing conversion of fractions, right? Conversion of fractions to decimals. We were doing that topic, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We told we will continue with that same topic today also. So, we will directly move to the topic. Afterwards, before winding up the class, I will be asking the questions of decimal numbers, the definitions and all. Whatever topic we have already covered, that will be asked you before winding up the class. Now we will directly move to the topic. Okay. So all of you just mute. Some sort of disturbances are there. Will you please mute?
It's from Kailash, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Kailash Nath?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Anyway, all of you mute. Yes. Now, no. I can hear some parents talking. Did I tell you to mute? Are you doing it? Okay. Children, I'm going to share the board. No need of taking any books. Nothing has to be taken. Just fold your hands and look at the board and listen to me. Okay?
I'm not confirmed with that conversions of.
That's what I told. We are going to do the topic again. Okay, Eva? Okay, dear? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to share the board. I said no need of taking the book. I don't want to see anybody. I can see everybody from here. I don't want to see anybody writing anything in the book. I did not tell you to touch the book. Okay, children? And all the videos should be off. Every time I am telling you to keep your videos off. What I told you now. Who is having difficulty in understanding English? Who is that person who was asking me? What is the page number?
KP.
Yes. Did I tell you to open your book? Did I?
No, ma'am.
Then why did you ask about the page number?
No, ma'am.
All of you fold your hands and sit properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So our topic is conversion of fractions to decimals. In the previous class also we did the same topic, but there was some confusions. So we are going to do the same topic once again. Conversion of fractions to decimals. Now, see, all of you look here. I'll be asking the questions after some time. Yes. So the first number is, suppose it's 8 by 10. Here, the denominator is 10. For 10, only 1 0 is there. So, after the point, there should be only 1 digit. So, better you put a curve. No need of writing the places and all. Just put a curve. So, what is the thing here? 10 has only 1 0. So, after the point, only 1 digit should be there. And this is the digit given. So, only 1 digit is there in the question also. So, write that digit over here. And nothing is there in the whole part. So, put a 0. The answer will be 0.8. Now, suppose the fraction is 8 by 100. Here, in the denominator, the number is 100. 100 has 2 zeros. Since 100 has 2 zeros, after the point, there should be 2 digits. So put 2 curves like this. 8. Only 1 digit is given in the numerator. That digit will move to the last place. And here, nothing is there, put a 0. No whole numbers, so put a 0. So this will be the answer, 0.08. Now third one, 8 by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So after the point, there should be 3 digits. So put a point and 1, 2, 3. 3 digits should be there. Only 8, only 1 digit is given in the question. That digit will move to the last place. Put zeros here. And no whole number is given, there also you put a 0. So 0.008 is the answer. Fourth one. Suppose it's a 2-digit number, 48 by 10. Again, the denominator is 10, only 1 0 is there. So only 1 digit should be there after the point. Put a point and draw 1 curve. The last digit will move here. No other digit should be there after the point because 10 has only 1 0. So this digit will become a whole number. So 4 will come before the point. So it will be 4.8. 5. Suppose the same number 48 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So after the point, there should be 2 places. The last digit will move here. 1 more digit is given. It will come near to it. No whole number, so put a 0. 0.48 will be the answer. Sixth, suppose it's 48 by 1000. So how many digits should be there after the point? 3 digits. Because 1000 has 3 zeros. So 3 digits should be there. 1, 2, 3. This 8 will go to the last place. Here, 4, 8. Then near to that 4. Nothing is there in this curve. Put a 0 number below.
0.0.
So 0.048 will be the answer. Now with 3 digit. Sixth one. 164 divided by 10.
I did not finish.
Who is writing? Who is that writing?
Adidev, yes.
Who told you to take the book now? What I told you before starting the class? Did I tell you to touch the book?
No.
Then why did you take the book now? I told you just to listen to me and look at the board, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then and why the videos are off again? Aditya, Ahyan, Paunami, why the videos are off? How many times I have to tell you that you have to keep your videos off on? Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon. Okay, so with the 3-digit number, 164 divided by 10. Only 1 0 is there for 10. So only 1 digit should be there after the point. So put a point and put 1 curve. Only 1 digit should be there inside. So the last digit will be here. And these 2 digits will become the whole number. So 16.4 will be the answer. Now, same number by 100. 2 zeros. So after the point, two places should be there. The last place will be here. Nearby 6. Then 1 will become the whole number. 1.64 is the final answer. Again, the same number with 1000. After the point, there should be 3 places because 1000 has 3 zeros. It is according to the zeros that you have to decide about the places. Since 1000 has 3 zeros, 3 places should be there after the point. The last digit will go to the last place. Nearby 6, then 1. No whole number, so put a 0. If no whole number is there, you have to put a 0 over there. Is it clear now? So instead of writing the places, you just put the curves. Okay. Now I am going to give 5 problems and I am going to ask. I will give 2 minutes. I will give 5 questions. I will give 2 minutes for doing it. After that, we will discuss the answers. Okay. Again, I can see the videos off. Every now and then I have to remind you about the video. Then only you will switch on the video. Is it? Adidev KS, what is your problem now? Like a KG kid, you are going on play. Is it? Okay. So all of you take your rough book now. Again, started with the page number. Always worried about the page number. Okay, all of you take your rough book. Again, the same topic. If you want, you can write the heading or else just put the date and you can continue. Once the topic is already written, if you want, you can write the topic again. It is conversion of fractions. Conversion of fractions to decimals. Now, first question. 8 by, we'll start with 1 digit. 8 by 10 is equal to, second one, 64 by 1000 is equal to, third one, 98 by 100 is equal to, fourth one, 846 by 100. Fifth one, 4 by 1000. Only 2 minutes will be given for completing it because nothing is there. Just you have to put a point. You have to put the curves according to the number given as denominator. If 10 is there, only one place, one curve should be drawn after the point. If it is 100, there should be 2 digits after the point. If it is 1000, 3 digits after the point. Again, I can see the videos off. So you people have no habit of obeying. That is the thing. I told not to take the book, you have taken. Some of you, not all, few. I told not to write, they began writing. I told to turn on the video, they will not do. Okay, so we will start. First one, let me ask to Devananda. Devananda, first one, 8 by 10.
8 in the 10th place.
Okay, so after the point, how many digits should be there?
1 digit.
Only 1 digit, because 10 has only 1 0. Yes. So after the point, there should only be 1 digit. So this 8 will move to the
10th place.
10th place. This is for 10th. So nothing is there in the whole number. So what do you have to do there?
0.
0. So what is the final answer?
0.8.
0.8. Good. Okay, Vishnu Manoj. Yes. How many digits should be there after the point?
2.
For the second one.
3 digits.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes. Because 1000 has 3 zeros. After the point, there should be 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. So where this 4 will go? In which place?
Ones, please.
Huh?
Ones, please.
Ones place. Like this. 4 should be here in the ones.
10th place.
Huh?
10th place.
Tens. That means it should be here. 4. What is the final answer you? What is the final answer you wrote?
0.064.
Ah, that's all. That's all I want. Okay, good. Good, Vishnu. So after the point, there should be 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. And this 4 will go to the last place. 4. Then 6 will be near to it. So nothing is there in the 10th, put a 0. No whole number, put a 0. 0.064 is the final answer. Good, Vishnu. Okay, then Anne Pavira, 98 by 100. Unmute, Anne.
Me?
Yes, 98 by 100.
998.
98. After the point or before the point? How? Read the answer once again. And
0.98.
0.98. Good. So 100 has 2 zeros. So after the point, there should be 2 digits. 9 will move to the last. 8 will move to the last. 9 will be near to it. No whole number, so it will be there. It will be 0. 0.98 is the final answer. Now next one. Bilal.
Ma'am,
846 by 100. So after the point, how many digits should be there?
2 digits.
2 digits. 100 has only 2 zeros. So after the point, there should be 2 digits. Where the 6 will go? To the last place, isn't it? What is the final answer you wrote, Bilal? What is the answer you wrote?
20.846.
Huh? $846 together? No.
No.
Then after the point, there should only be 2 digits, right? So if 8, 4, 6 is together after the point, then it will become 3 digits. What about 8?
8 got 2.
8 will?
First digit.
Before the point or after the point?
After.
No, Bilal. Vihan. Listen here, Bilal.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes. Vihan, what is?
8.46.
8.46. Good. Good, Vihan. So after the point, there should be only 2 digits. So 2 curves has to be drawn. Then this last digit will go to the last curve. Nearby digit 4 will be here. Then no place for 8 after the point because there should be only 2 digits and 2 curves are there. We already wrote 4 and 6. So 8 will be before the point. So 8.46 is the final answer. Bilal? Say the answer. Yes, say the answer of the last one. Let me see. How many digits should be there after the point, Bilal?
3.
3 digits. Put a point and draw 1, 2, 3 curves. Where this 4 will go?
3D.
Third place or middle place or first place after the point?
First place.
First place here, 4. Is it correct?
Last place.
Huh?
Last place.
Decide one. Afterwards, don't make me rub again. Which place?
Last.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. This 4 will go to the last place. Then other places? Other places you have to put zeros. Then 0 here. So 0.004 is the answer. Okay, how many of you got all the answers correct? Just raise your hand. If you have got all the answers correct, just raise your hand. And Pavira, Kailash, Iva, Harshvardhan, Adityan, Adidev, Abel, Juan, Bihan, Joseph, Olivia, Aditya, Ahyan. Okay. Okay. Amen. Devananda. Okay, dears. So now all of you keep your pencil down on the book. We are going to do the same thing, but with the whole number. All of you keep your pencil down. Now this is for explaining, no need of writing anything. Now don't ask me whether we have to write which book and all. Just keep your pencil down. No need of writing anything. Look here. 6 is alone there. Look here. All of you stop writing. Keep the pencil there down. I can see some of you writing. Everybody should look at the board. 6, 4 by 10. So 6 is alone. It is not a fraction. So that is a whole number. So write 6. Then we have to do for this. Write 6 alone there. After that 4 by 10. 10 has only 1 0. So after the point, there should be only 1 digit. So this 4 will directly go to that place. So the answer is 6.4. From where you got this 6? 6 is given in the question. It is alone over there. It will be before the point. Okay. Now 46 8 by 100 is equal to 46 is alone. It is not a fraction. So it will be a whole number. Right? 46 point. Now 8 by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So after the point, there should be 2 places. This 8 will move to the last place. So nothing is there. You have to put a 0. Now third one, 45, 64 by 1000. 44 is alone. So it will be a whole number, 44 point. Now, after the point, there should be 3 digit because 1000 has 3 zeros. So after the point, make 3 curves for 3 digits. Then this number, 64, 4 will directly move to the last place. Nearby 6 will be here nearby. Nothing is there here. So put a 0 in this curve. So 45.064 will be the answer. The same method, everything is same. Just a whole number will be there. That's all. Okay. Clear? Shall I give? Again, 5 problems. Huh? Again, 5 problems. 2 minutes for doing. No difference. The same method. Everything is same. Just a whole number will be there on the side. That's all. Before the point, you have to write that whole number. Okay. Now open your book. Five problems are already done. Now sixth one. 64, 3 by 100. Seventh one, 2, 92 by 1000. 6, 4 by 10. 9, 34, 86 by 100. 10th one, 230, 8 by 1000. Sixth, the whole number, the number which is given alone without the denominator will be before the point. And use the same method for the fraction. Okay. We'll start with the first one. Ahyan, first one, 64, 3 by 100. Ahyan, unmute. Okay, he is the person who will not respond. Okay, I will get the children, those who are not responding. He has turned off the video when the question is asked. Okay. Joseph, 64, 3 by 100.
Yes, ma'am.
64, 3 by 100. What is the answer you wrote?
64
Six, huh? 64. Before the point, you can take it together. 64.
64 point
Ah,
03.
good. 64.03. Good. Good, Joseph. So it is 100. So 2 digits should be there after the point. 3 will move to the last one. So nothing is here. So 0. 64.03. Okay, good. Olivia, second one.
2.092.
Yes.
Good.
Good. 2.092. So 2 point of 1000 has 3 zeros. So 3 places should be there. The last place will move to the last curve. So before that 9, nothing is here. So 0. 2.092. Now Muhammad Fadil, third one. Eighth one. 6, 4 by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
6, 4 by 10. Eighth one.
6
6.
point 4.
6.4. Good. Good, Fadil. So 6 point. It is 10. So only one digit should be there after the point. So this 4 will move to that curve. 6.4. Good. Now fourth one. Adityan. Fourth one. Adityan already got a chance. Adityan?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. 34, 86 by 100.
34.
Huh.
Ma'am, 34.86.
Yes. Okay. Good. Good. 100 has only 2 zeros. So 2 digits should be there here. So 6 will move to the last. 8 will be nearby. 34.86. Good. Now the last one. Last one. Amen. Amen, the last one.
23
23 point.
point.
Look here. What is the number given?
230.
So 230.
230 point
Yes.
8.
Is it? Sure. After the point, how many digits should be there,
Yes.
Amen? After the point, how many digits should be there?
3 digits.
3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Where this 8 will go?
8 will be go.
Where that 8 will go?
But 3 digits.
Okay. Where that 8 will go? Kailashnath. Where that 8 will go? This 8. Kailashnath.
Ma'am, last place.
Yes, this number will go to the last place. Always the number that is in the numerator, the final number will be in the final place. So nothing is there in these places, so you have to put zeros. Kailashnath, what is the final answer?
230.008.
230.008. This is the final answer. Okay. So this was conversion of fractions to decimals. I'll be sending the notes. I will be sending the homework. Everything has to be done today itself. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Next class, we will do other topic. We will start a new topic. Okay. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.